Hey, we're here with Edinboro University's women's soccer coach Gary Kagavis. The women's soccer team has reached the NCAA tournament for the first time in its program history. Just talk a little what it means for the team to qualify after 16 years of the program's history.
Well, it's been a long time coming. I think our program has reached the level that we are at least in the top 40 in the country every year. The dilemma with getting to the NCAAs is that so many teams come out of the PSAC, and it's a challenging league, and so there are a couple of times that we were in, and we make the PSAC playoffs and we get knocked out, and because we lose in the first round or whatever it is. So it is way overdue. This team has particularly worked really hard to get there, and I'm really proud of them. I think they're really happy too. So.
The team has set records, program records for wins, for shutouts, tied the record for consecutive shutouts. What's been unique about this team, that's been special about this team they've been able to get over the hump?
You know, I put it down to leadership. I think our seniors are very good kids. They're hardworking, and I think the rest of the kids follow through. I also think that we have several freshmen that came in and made a huge impact, and I think top to bottom we've been very fortunate. We have great team chemistry, and the kids really like each other, and they work really hard for each other.
You'll be coming into the tournament as the 4th seed, facing 5th seed Westchester on Friday at 1 o'clock at California, PA, which is the top seed. Talk a little about the first meeting you had with them, won that game 2-0, and just the circumstances of that match and just what you're expecting to face them this time.
Well, I know. Well, Westchester, of course, is a challenge in itself. We'll start off with that game, and they're one of the premier programs in in our league, and they've been the premier program for several years. So I think that's going to be a challenge in itself to win that game. I think we're very well equipped to beat them. And then the Cal game, as much as the score was 5-1, I don't think it was a true reflection of how we played. I do know they scored 5 goals. I do know that we gave them 4 of them. I do know that we played with 10 men and still looked pretty good in competing with them. So I'm actually pretty optimistic. I think that we get through the first game. I think we can give Cal a good run for their money. I honestly believe that we can beat Cal.